Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. Papa Burger is a food franchise in the Philippines renowned for its delectable and affordable burger offerings. The brand has rapidly expanded, attracting numerous franchisees nationwide. Papa Burger has established itself as a popular choice among Filipino consumers, offering a range of burger options that cater to diverse tastes. With over 100 franchisees, the brand's active promotion of franchising opportunities suggests a growing network across the country. For the product menus, Papa Burger's menu boasts a variety of offerings that have endeared them to customers, most especially buy one take one offer. Burgers, they offer classic beef burgers, cheeseburgers, and specialty variants. For the foot-long hot dogs, generously sized hot dogs with various toppings. For the sides, they offer fries, onion rings, and other popular accompaniments. Beverages, they offer soft drinks and specialty shakes. This diverse menu caters to a wide audience, ensuring repeat patronage. For the franchise packages and fees, the franchise fee for Papa Burger is competitively priced at 149,000 pesos. This investment provides entrepreneurs with an opportunity to join a thriving brand without a hefty initial outlay. For the franchise inclusions, it includes franchise fee for 3 years, franchise and crew training, initial stocks worth 5,000 pesos. For the cooking equipment, they have burger griddle and deep fryer. For the other materials, they have squeezer, spatula, bread knife, tongue, egg ring, fries flavor container, funnel, weighing scale, and black gloves. For the gas equipment, they have regulator, hose, Y-connect, and clamp. For the franchise benefits, the franchisees benefits from a comprehensive package designed to ensure operational success. Equipment and tools, essential cooking and preparation equipment. Initial inventory, this is the starter stock of ingredients and packaging materials. Training program, a comprehensive training for franchisees and staff. Marketing support, access to promotional materials and strategies. Operational support, ongoing assistance to ensure smooth business operations. These inclusions equip franchisees with the necessary tools and knowledge to operate effectively. For the advantages of franchising, partnering with Papa Burger offers several advantages. Affordable investment, a reasonable franchise fee makes it accessible to many entrepreneurs. Brand recognition, leverage a growing brand with an established customer base. Comprehensive support, benefit from training, marketing, and operational assistance. Proven business model, operate under a system that has demonstrated success in the market. For the franchise steps, these are the easy steps in franchising the Papa Burger. Step 1. Look for your own location. Note, the location should be on the center of your vicinity or area or the market trade area of its location. Step 2. Send the Google map of your confirmed location. Step 3. Wait for the approval of the location. Step 4. A 50% deposit of the total package price is required before the store construction. Step 5. Owner will attend business operation meeting. Note, payment of another 50% of franchise fee should settle during business operation meeting. Step 6. Signing of franchise agreement. Step 7. Delivery of stocks and equipment on your store soft opening. For the contact information, for franchise inquiries, reach out through the following channels. You can call them with the mobile number 0929-827-1914 or 02-827-53959. You can also visit their FB page at Papa Burger Main. For the frequently asked questions. Number 1. What is the total investment required? Answer. The franchise fee is 149,000 pesos and the total estimated capital investment may be around 299,000 pesos depending on the size of the store. Additional costs may include location setup, permits, and initial working capital. Question number 2. Can I choose my location? Answer. Prospective franchisees can propose locations, but final approval would depend on market studies and franchisor discretion. Question number 3. What support to be provided by Papa Burger? Answer. Franchisees receive continuous operational support, marketing assistance, and periodic updates. What are you waiting for? Start your business with the Papa Burger franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.